Welcome to 106B, Oliva Court, Novato. This is a 2-story townhome, 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. The unit opens up into a living room with newer LVP flooring and newer paint. Nest thermostat, which is always nice. A large window for some natural light overlooks a nice lawn and playground. Then these are the stairs that will take us up to the 3 bedrooms and the full bath. Decent sized coat closet here at the bottom of the stairs. This unit has a surprising amount of storage. On the left is the largest bedroom. All 3 bedrooms have newer carpet, new paint. Nice big window. Similar view to downstairs. Floor to ceiling closets here. Adjacent to this bedroom is the full bath. Has a tub shower combo. This is the 2nd largest bedroom. Again, newer carpet and paint. And a floor to ceiling closet. Back in the hallway, we have a decent sized linen closet. And the 3rd bedroom. With the floor to ceiling closet as well. Let me take you downstairs. The rest of the house. Furnace located in there. Alright, back to the living room. Opens up to a big dining room, which has a sliding glass door that leads out to the enclosed patio. Also has a closet under the stairs. From the dining room leads into the kitchen. It's a nice little peninsula here. Stainless steel appliances, Samsung. The oven range is newer. Tile counters and floors. This through here, there's a nice pocket door that leads to a mudroom. It also has an additional exterior door to the enclosed patio. Then back through the kitchen. There is the in-unit laundry room, which is always nice. And to the right here is the 1st floor half bath. Pretty standard. Then back through the dining room, we've got the slider. Little enclosed patio area, there's that door. And then through this gate is the carport that goes with the unit, which is really nice for carrying groceries and whatnot. And that is 106B Oliva Court.